Hey guys, are you worried about safety of your car while on the move? We have something. I have bought something. I'm talking about this device. This is a car ADAS system.
In 150 meters. Lane has deviated.
I am talking about this dash cam. Okay, so you might have heard what is special in this. I will tell you. First, let me show you what are the things comes with this particular product. Okay, so this is the ADAS 12-inch Android based dash cam. Okay, and along with this we receive the GPS module. You can see this is the external GPS module which you can attach. Other than that, we have received one adapter which is used to connect into your car, so that whenever you are not in the car, it will keep monitoring your asset. Okay, there are two clips they provide. So these clips is used to hang this dash cam top of your existing mirror, rear view mirror. Okay, so now coming upon the features and this product, what is this actually? This is the device. I'm 12-inch LCD screen. Okay, and then you can see there is one camera in the back side. So this is full HD camera. This is waterproof camera, and there is one more camera comes with the product, so that I have installed in my car. I will show you. And other than that, I mean, you can see over here there is one speaker. Okay, so this speaker, you can use this speaker to listen to the all these things, ADAS system or the media playback sounds. Okay. Now if you look at the top, then you will see there are multiple plugs. Okay, so one is, this is the power connector. Okay, so you need to connect this particular adapter. This adapter you need to connect on this, and then there is one 3.5 mm interface jack. So this you can use to connect your reverse camera. Okay, so the camera which comes with the bundle is used to be night vision camera, and that is dust and waterproof camera. Other than that, you can see there is one golden plated jack. So this is for your GPS device. So you need to just plug it like this. Also, you can see there are two more attachments. Okay, so one is for SIM card. So you can attach SIM card, any 4G SIM card, 4G 3G SIM card it would support. And next one is the memory chip. So as I said, this is a dash cam. So this is a D1. So we are using 128 GB micro SD card. First, this is a 4G device. Okay, so it will work on most of the 4G bands. Okay, and in this is a Android 8.1 based device. Okay, so you can see the interface of Android 8.1. It have Play Store. You can install any application in this. You can install Google Maps, Cygic, or whatever mapping technology you use, that you can install. You can install YouTube, Spotify. You can install any media player also. So there are a lot of equipped with 2 GB RAM. Okay, it's DDR3 RAM. Okay, now inbuilt memory comes with the device is 32 GB. So it have inbuilt memory as well, and you can install micro SD card as well, up to 128 GB. Now if you talk about the resolution of the screen, so this is 1280 by 4. Inbuilt camera and the back camera is Sony IMX307, which is night vision multi-layer camera. So that will come with this part, and this is capacitive touch screen. Okay. So this is similar to phone, and it will support all the offline maps also. You can download area maps, and you can run it on offline. So you can download over Wi-Fi. You can download through SIM card which you have inserted. Alright. It is also equipped with Bluetooth. So it supports Bluetooth 4.0. Connect the Bluetooth with your phone, with your car music system. It supports FM transmission as well. So FM transmission will be used to connect to your inbuilt car infotainment system, so that voice of this device will go directly into your car without, if you don't have Bluetooth. In that case, you have to just select a frequency and then it will start transmitting upon that particular frequency. This is how you will get the sound into your car infotainment system. Okay, so now this is equipped with Wi-Fi. So it supports full spectrum Wi-Fi network, so you can use Wi-Fi in both ways. One, because you have inserted a SIM card over here, so definitely it will have 4G network. So in that case, suppose you have a big data plan and you want to make a local Wi-Fi network. In that case, you can make a hotspot using this particular device. Okay? Also, you can turn your mobile hotspot on and that will connect to this device. And other than dashcam, it is a ADAS device. Okay, so ADAS you might be heard about, in some car it is coming in future cars also, or in some past cars, in luxury sections it used to come actually in some latest cars. ADAS stands for Advanced Driver Assistance System. So when we talk about ADAS, it comes with certain sub functions actually. So that is LDWS, FCWS, FVMA. LDWS means lane driving warning system. Okay, so when it will assist you with the changing lane whenever you are driving into different lane. Suppose you are feeling dizziness or somewhat in that region. In that case, it will assist you. Okay. Then FCWS. So FCWS stands for Forward Collision Warning System. Okay. So whenever you are about to hit to any car or you are in a close distance, in that case, it will keep calculating the distance between your car and the next car. So according to the speed. So it will give you a warning. The third section is FVDW. Okay. So FVDW stands for Front Vehicle Departure Warning. So suppose you are stuck in huge traffic where you don't know when traffic will open, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours maybe. Okay. So in that case, you want to have some rest and then someone will either honk, then you will start your car and you will move forward. So this particular device will assist you in that situation also. Okay. So suppose if you are taking a rest and at that moment when your next vehicle suddenly started because the lane is clear now, in that case it will give you a warning. It will tell you that front vehicle has been started. It is also equipped with 24-hour car parking monitor. Okay, so with this feature, what you can do, you can monitor the surroundings whenever anyone approaches to your car. It will make a video, it will take a snapshot and it will send to your mobile. Okay. So this is how it is very useful. Let us talk about some more features. As this is a DVR, so definitely it must have all the DVR function. Okay, so all the footage you can have in a real time. So this display will be divided into 3 sections. Okay. So one person will show you the CCTV view, front or back. You can touch and it will check. The second section, in the mid section, you will get the interface. Go to application and open the application of your choice. And the left small section, in this particular section you will see the whatever things are playing on your device. Okay, so whenever you are playing a music, that will be displayed over here also, and here you will get the time date also. It comes with a feature of loop recording. So definitely what happens whenever your memory gets exhausted, in that case same memory will be overwritten by new. Other than this is equipped with G sensor. So with G sensor, what it does is whenever it senses any impact, if you don't want to keep recording all the things, going somewhere using front or back cameras, in that case G sensor will trigger whenever it will find a collision, shoot a video, and it will keep that in a locked position. It means that there is a rewriting features in this. Okay, so loop recording, I must say. So in loop recording, what happens, your new records will overwrite upon the old records. So with G sensor, it will device will not be able to delete that protected areas. So with G sensor triggered records, it will be stored in a protected zone. So we can delete only, system cannot delete. About GPS, it is equipped with a GPS as well. So this is a GPS and it supports a GPS and GLONASS edge. About size of the device as compared to your rear view mirror, it will be like slightly more. The camera which is there inbuilt here and back camera as well, so you can tilt it as per your requirement. Okay, you can tilt it any angle. Suppose when this device has no power or some technical fault, in that case it will work like a mirror. So you can see my ceilings is visible here. Okay. So this is it about this ADAS mirror, Android 8.1 12-inch ADAS mirror. I was using in my car since long. So I hope you might got a clear idea. In next video, show you the interface, how it works, how you can install the thing. And in next I will make a tear down of this so that you will just understand. In case of any issues, you can refer that, or you can see how the back electronics is working to solve the problem. If you like our video, I request you to please do like button, subscribe our channel and share among your friends. Thank you.